Hello everyone, welcome back to my turning channel. So this week we're going to be working with some elm again. I got a nice piece, so lots of nice cracks in it, so we're going to fill those with some epoxy and see what kind of a hollow form or urn, or I don't know what we'll make. We'll make something out of this and see what we get. So let's get at it. Start with my usual tape in the bucket. I'm putting the tape a little off to the side this time because my bottom here is a little bit not centered, so that's why we're doing that. And a little bit left in here. If you're not using this, and they don't sponsor me, you should try it, because boy, it's ever nice compared to trying to dig one out. Okay, put some hot melt glue over where the tape was here. Something like that. To line up. Something like that. I hope they're touching. There. Okay, put a bag on that. I'm going to try and get some fairly good color into this. Might go do that fiery look again. Some oranges and some reds. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you're all well, and whatever part of the world you're in, I hope it's okay. Okay. Alright, so should be good. Now, take that to the vacuum chamber. Give it a little pre-vacuum while we are mixing epoxy. Okay, take you to the mixer. We're going to do a 3-liter pour with designer epoxy. And then we're going to start with pearl red. We're going to make a base coat of pearl red. And then we're going to let that soak in for 3-4 hours, and then we'll top it with 3 different pours of 3 different colors, hoping to get a little bit of a fiery, flaming kind of look there. So if you're wondering why, that's why. And we'll, of course, I am using deep cast as usual from Designer Epoxy. And I'll start with 3 liters. And this is a 2-to-1 pour, so 2 liters of the A compound. So we'll give that a mix. Okay, so like I said, we're going to pour this as the base coat, and then I'll add some of these brighter oranges later before I put it away for the evening. 3 liters of red. So that is just about perfect, because that's going to drop down about 1 inch or so, and then I'll have plenty of room for my other colors. You might even need a little bit more red. Okay, let's put some bubbles to it. All right, you guys get the drill. I'll be back at the end. Might not take very long. I just won't have that at full vacuum. And it wasn't going up, so might not take too long. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. Okay, there's full vacuum for probably a good half hour now, so it didn't take very long. So I'm gonna open this up. We'll put it in the pressure pot for a couple more hours, and then we'll hopefully top it off. If I don't do it tonight, I'll do it tomorrow. We're going to top that up with some oranges and yellows, a little bit of gold. Okay, vacuum coming off. Okay, I'm going to pressure this to 60 pounds. Let it sit for a few hours, and then I'll come back. Hello everyone. So we are going to take this out, hopefully. This paper broke, so last time we used it, so I'm not too worried about making it worse. Okay, lots of mold release, a good shot of air, and maybe we'll have some luck. Not yet. It's a little bit, it's still a bit soft. Maybe that might be why too. Well, like I said, my bucket's toast anyway, so I'm just going to cut it out. There we go. Okay. That don't look too bad. So we'll get that over the lathe and find some centers and see what we can make out of this.